Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Pronoun. In this chapter, we will learn about what is pronoun, what are its type, what is the use of pronoun, and how to identify a pronoun. Let's see. So, a definition of a pronoun is a word that stands for a noun or for words that take the place of noun. So, a pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. So, I, we, he, she, it, they all are pronouns. Now, why it is used? It is used to avoid clumsy repetition, or you can say it is used to avoid repetition of noun. Without using, if you will not use pronoun, your writing or speech would look more repetitive. So, to hide the repetition, we use pronoun. What are its types? Now, wait for a second. What are its type? First one is personal pronoun, second one is interrogative, third one is reflexive, fourth one is relative, and fifth one is demonstrative, and sixth one is distributive pronoun. So now what are personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and distributive pronoun? Let's see. Now here you can look at this figure. So, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is used for a specific object or person. So, you can say personal pronouns are used for a specific object or person. For in subjective case or in nominative case, I, we, you, they, he, she, it is known as personal pronoun. I, we is known as first person pronoun, you is known as second person pronoun, and he, she, it, they are known as third person pronoun. Now in objective case, I becomes me, we becomes us, you becomes you remains same, and they become them, he becomes him, she becomes her, and it remains same. So these are personal pronoun, and in possessive case, uh, I becomes my, we become our, and you becomes your, and they becomes their, and he becomes his, she becomes her, and it becomes its. So these are personal pronouns. Wait for a second. These all are personal pronouns. So now what is demonstrative pronoun? You can, in simple words, you can say the pronoun used to point out some particular person or a particular thing is known as demonstrative pronoun. It is used to show the farness or nearness of a person or a thing. So this, that, these, and those are known as demonstrative pronoun. Now interrogative pronoun. When a pronoun is used to ask a question and is used as pronoun, it is known as interrogative pronoun. So when a pronoun is used to ask question about a person or an object that we do not know about is known as interrogative pronoun. Who, whom, which, that, what, whoever, and whichever. These etc. etc. These are known as interrogative pronoun. Now what is relative pronoun? Relative pronoun are those pronoun which are used to join two clauses, or you can say which are used to join two clauses, and at the same time it refers back to the noun going before it. So who, which, whom, that, and whose are known as a relative pronoun. Now one question will arise in your mind that is also known as demonstrative pronoun, and it is also known as relative pronoun. So how will you identify that which is demonstrative, where it is used as demonstrative and where it is used as relative pronoun? The same question is who, whom, and whose are also used as relative pronoun, and it is also used as interrogative pronoun. So how you will identify that where it is used as interrogative and where it is used as relative pronoun? In this video I will teach you the same thing. Now let's see indefinite pronoun. Now indefinite pronoun, the pronoun which does not point out particular person or thing, is known as indefinite pronoun. Whenever you say someone, anybody, anyone, no one, nowhere, few, many, nothing, etc., etc., are known as indefinite pronoun. Now what is a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun, when the action done by the subject turns back upon the subject, it is known as reflexive pronoun. Or you can say when the subject and the object of a verb is the same person, it is known as reflexive pronoun. And these are reflexive pronoun, and these are also known as intensive pronoun. So when we add when the pronoun ends in self or selves, it is known as reflexive pronoun. So how will you identify that which is reflexive and which is intensive pronoun? I will teach you in very simple way. Now what is reciprocal pronoun? Reciprocal pronoun, each other and one another, is known as reciprocal pronoun when used when two or more nouns are doing or being the same to one another. Let's see, I've put one chart here. I've drawn a chart here. Look at here. I, you, he, she, it, they are known as we, and you are known as personal pronoun in nominative case. In objective case, me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them are known as personal pronoun, but it is in objective case. In possessive case, my, your, his, her, its, your, our, your, and their are known as, this is possessive adjective. Possessive pronoun is mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and their are known as possessive pronoun. Wait for a second. And this is myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, and themselves are known as reflexive pronoun, and it is also known as emphatic pronoun, but they work in different ways. So this is first person, this is second person, and this is third person male, and this is third person female, and this is third person used for non-living thing, and this is first person plural, this is second person plural, this line, and this is third person plural. Is it clear? Wait for a second. Look, as I have said, this one is drawn by mistake. Ignore it because it is possessive adjective. Is it clear? Possessive pronoun is mine, our, your. Is it clear? This one is possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs. So up to here it is clear. Now we will see what is personal pronoun one by one. Now we will read in detail. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that is associated primarily with a particular person in the grammatical sense. There are two types of personal pronoun: subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. Now, in simple words, you can say that a personal pronoun is used in place of noun. So, I, we, he, she, it, they, and you are known as subjective pronoun, or you can say personal pronoun in nominative case. And me, him, them, us, if you, these are known as objective pronoun. Is it clear? So here are the some example. I tell you hopeless grief is passionless. So I is used in place of noun, so it is personal pronoun. Now you is personal pronoun in this sentence. He is personal pronoun in nominative case. She is personal pronoun in nominative case. It is personal pronoun. We is personal pronoun in this sentence, and they is personal pronoun in this sentence. Now in objective case, me is personal pronoun in objective case, and in this line him is personal pronoun. In this line her is personal pronoun in objective case, and them is, in this line them is objective pronoun. In this line our is us is objective pronoun in objective case. In this line it is objective pronoun, and in this line you is objective pronoun. So when the pronoun is used as object of the verb, it is known as objective pronoun, and when the pronoun is used as subject of a verb, it is known as subjective pronoun. Up to here it is clear. I hope up to here it is clear. Now second one is indefinite pronoun. Pronoun which are not known which nouns are used are called indefinite pronoun. Or you can say when you are not confirm about the when you are not confirm, or when you are not sure about the person name or number, then we use indefinite pronoun. Suppose anybody, everybody, nobody, anyone, no one, someone, anything, nothing, something are known as indefinite pronoun. Now you can look at the examples given here. Nobody else offered to go out. So nobody is acting as a indefinite pronoun. There is nothing interesting in the book, so nothing is acting as indefinite pronoun. No one believes them, so no one is acting as indefinite pronoun. Everything was really ready for the party, so this is indefinite pronoun. Was there anyone you knew at that school? Anyone is indefinite pronoun. Would you like something to drink? Something is indefinite pronoun. Something is indefinite pronoun. Someone knows where she is. Someone is indefinite pronoun. Everybody loves Mary. So everybody is indefinite pronoun, and they were staying in somebody's car. So somebody is indefinite pronoun. I think this is somebody else quotes. So somebody else is indefinite pronoun. I have highlighted the indefinite pronoun. You can go through these examples. Now demonstrative pronoun. That, these and those are known as demonstrative pronoun. These and that are singular demonstrative pronoun. These and those are plural demonstrative pronoun. Now that is demonstrative pronoun, that is referring to a specific noun, and this is singular pronoun, and as it is referring to only one house. So that is a beautiful house. So in this sentence, that is a demonstrative pronoun, and it is referring to a specific house and to one house. So it is singular in number. This is what he is charging. This, now in this sentence, this is used as pronoun in place of a number, and it is also acting as a quantifier. And this, in this sentence also, this is singular demonstrative pronoun. Now these were made by me. Now this is referring to a plural number, and it is showing to a unspecified quantity. Now everyone remembers those days. Those is showing a particular time or period of days in the past, and here it is indicating a number of days. Now I have given you some example here. Look at this example. It will be more clear to you. I have highlighted the examples. So I have highlighted the demonstrative pronoun. Now, what is interrogative pronoun? You can say, as I have said, the pronoun used to ask question is known as interrogative pronoun. Now, which, when you have a limited choice. Why use which? When you have a limited choice about a thing. What is used when you are asking for a general information? Who is used when you are asking about a person name? Whom is used when you are asking about a person or name? And whoever is used for emphasis, giving emphasis instead of who. And it is also used to emphasize a lack of restriction in selecting one of a definite set of alternatives. Is it clear? Now these are the examples I have given you. Which one would you like to? And I have highlighted the interrogative pronoun. You can go through the examples. Now, as I have said, what is the difference between reflexive and intensive pronoun? A pronoun that ends in self or selves are known as reflexive and intensive pronoun. So, myself, ourself, yourself, yourselves, herself, himself, itself, and themselves are known as reflexive and intensive pronoun. The basic difference is, let's see. A reflexive pronoun refers to the subject and directs the action of the verb back to the subject. As I have said you, when the effect of the verb, when the effect of the verb, when the effect of the action turns upon back the subject, it is known as reflexive pronoun. And reflexive pronoun are necessary to the meaning of a sentence. So the Carson family tried to lift themselves out of poverty. So the effect of themselves is lying on the family. So it is now here it is acting as a reflexive pronoun. Now intensive pronoun, an intensive pronoun enhances the subject, or it is used to lay emphasis, or you can say emphatic pronoun is used to lay emphasis, but it is not necessary to the meaning of the sentence. If you will eradicate this one, this is it will the sense of the sentence will be correct, but when you will eradicate this themselves from the sentence, the meaning will be different. So if the emphatic pronoun is removed and it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence, then it will be definitely intensive pronoun. And if you will remove this emphatic, or you can say reflexive pronoun, and if the meaning and the sentence does not give the same meaning, then it will be known as reflexive pronoun. This was the basic difference. Now if you have any doubt, you can comment us on Google Classroom. I hope the subject matter is clear. And one thing more, the how to identify reflexive and intensive pronoun. You can see that if you will remove this one, the meaning of the, or you can say the sense of the sentence will be not the same one. So you can identify it as a reflexive pronoun. But when you will remove this one and it gives the sense that it is not necessary to the meaning of the sentence, then it will be known as emphasis, or you can emphatic pronoun. I hope the subject matter is clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment us on Google Classroom.